Namaste and good afternoon to you all. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe there. Today, I would like to welcome once again to my social studies class of grade 3. So, my dear students, I have written topic for today. Yes, it is all about helping the neighbor. Help the neighbor. Okay, and let's know what we are going to do in today's class. My dear students, you have already seen I have pasted a chart paper over here, right? And we are going to discuss about the topic, right? After that, I have collected some pictures for you and we will go through the pictures too, isn't it? And after that, I have some questions for you also. So that for today's class, you should be very much attentive and careful. Okay, so that you can answer my question. Alright? Okay. Then my dear students, before moving towards today's class, let's do some revision of our previous class. Right? Okay, in our previous class, we have gone through me and my family. Do you remember or not? Yes, you remember it, yes. And next class, there was all about help in my family, right? In that class, you have already known what types of help you can provide to your family members, isn't it? Your family members may be doing different types of work in your family, and even children like you can help them with their work. That all we have already known. Yes? Do you remember? Okay, very fine then. Now, today we are going to know something about help the neighbors. Right? Okay. Then, first of all, you have to know who are neighbors. Why should we help them? Okay, all the thing we'll discuss in today's class. So, are you ready, my dear students? Okay, I hope you are ready there with your belongings, right? Okay, then let's move towards the chart paper. Let's know something what I have written there. Okay, that is related to topic, today's topic, as there is help the neighbors. Okay, my dear students? Okay, very good. See here, my dear students, here is a chart pasted and there. Let's see what is written there. First of all, there is the topic written, help the neighbors, right? Okay, and we should know who are neighbors. Do you know who are neighbors? Any guess? Okay, then let's read it. Who are neighbors? Let's know it. Who are called as our neighbors? Yes? Okay, the people who live around our house are called neighbors. My dear students, listen carefully, okay? Those people who live around our house, they are called as our neighbors. My dear student, you just think there might be many houses around your house, right? And many families, many people might be living in those houses. Yes? Then who are they? They are your neighbors, right? So what should we understand? Neighbors means those people who are living around our house, nearby our house. They are called as our neighbors. Okay, to make you clear, I have a picture also here. Can you see at the picture? Yes, see, some houses are there. Right, this side some 4-5 houses, this side also, there also some houses are there in the picture, right? And do you think the people of same family live in these all houses? Do you think so? No, obviously not, isn't it? In this different house, different family members, different people are living there. And some are very near to each other. Can you see there? Yes, and some are very much far away also, right? So the people who are living nearby our house, they are called as our neighbors. Are you clear? Okay, so here it is written, the people who live around our house, they are called as neighbors, right? Okay, they are very important to us, as our family members are important to us, isn't it? Even neighbors are also important. Okay, you have to think that our neighbors are also very important for us, right? They help us in difficulties. Difficulties means in problems. Sometime if you get the problems, then who comes to help us? Our neighbor. Yes, they will come and they help us, so that they are very important for us. Why are they important? They are important to us because they help us in our difficulties, right? Okay, so we should also help them. My dear student, okay, our neighbors help us in our difficulties, in our problem, so that we should also help them whenever they need help, right? So here we should help them when some condition are there, some situation might be there. In that we can help our neighbors. Okay, let's have a look at them. At which time, which condition we can help to our neighbors. Okay, so here if we go through this first one, some of the examples when we can help our neighbors, it is written here. Okay, so let's read. Okay, during the time of some accidents like fire, theft and robbery, etc. My dear students, sometime in your neighborhood, in your society, there might be some accident too. Like some of your neighbor may get fire in the house, right? Sometime thieves may come to their house, sometime robbers may come to their house, and during that time you can help your neighbor. We have to help our neighbor in such condition. Okay, let me clear it that if there is fire in your neighbor's house, then what can you do? How can you help them? Do you have any idea? Okay, yes, you can help to put out the fire by bringing some water, right? Okay, next thing also you can do here. Okay, that is you can just call for firefighter. Can you do this? Yes, it is easy. You can dial the number of firefighter and you can call them whenever your neighbor is getting fire on the house. Likewise, if there are some thieves, like some day during the night time or sometime when your neighbors are not at their home, yes, you might be nearby that and you have seen some of unknown people. Let me tell you, thieves enter your neighbor's house. Then what can you do? Okay, in that time also you can help them. You can call the policeman, right? And even you can inform to other neighbors. Isn't it? Okay, in this situation also you can help your neighbors, right? The next one is also there, okay? When they are sick. Yes. Sometime your neighbors, your closest neighbor, they may get sick too. And there might not be other family members. During that time also you can help your neighbor by informing to other family members, or you can ask elder people to take to hospital, manage medicines, isn't it? In this condition also you can help to your neighbors. Are you getting me? Yes, okay. The next one, let's see. Lend or give the necessary goods if they need. Okay, to make you understand this point, let me say you, suppose some guests arrive at your neighbor's house, right? And at the same time, your neighbor want to serve tea to the guest, but unfortunately, sugar is not at home, right? Then what can you do? How can you help them? Okay, you can lend or give some sugar to them. Yes, this is just an example, okay? Other things also we can lend them, we can give them, and later on whenever they have, they will return it. Right? In the same way, this condition may happen to us also sometime. Sometime there might be guests at our home and no sugar. During that condition, you can just go to the close neighbor and you can borrow some sugar and you can prepare tea for your guest. And afterwards, when there is sugar at your home, then you can return them. Right? Okay, this is also the thing that you can do it. Yes, the next one is also there at the time of agricultural work. My dear students, in your neighborhood, there might be different types of agricultural work in the field. Some of your neighbors, they may be farmer, right? And they might have a lot of field to do different work, many works may be there. And during that time, you can serve them water or food, isn't it? Like that, you can help. Yes, you are children, so that I told you to just serve water or food. But elderly people also can help there. They can go there and they can help in their work so that they can complete the work easily, fastly. Right? Okay, the next one is also there for you. See here, my dear students, if they have festivals or functions like puja, marriage, etc. Are you observing this kind of function at your neighborhood? Yes, times and again, isn't it? So, my dear students, see, if one of your neighbor have such function like puja, marriage, isn't it? During that time also you can help to your neighbors. How can you help during that time? Okay, you can go to their house and you can do some simple work, right? Like cleaning the house, isn't it? Or you can help to decorate their house, because during this function time, festivals, marriage, puja, then there might be many guests coming, isn't it? You can manage them seats so that they can sit there, isn't it? And even you can help them to decorate, putting flowers in the different places, making the house and surrounding very much neat and clean. Right? Can you do this? Yes, even the children like you can help in this condition to your neighbors. Okay, then the next one is also there. Okay, let's have a look at it. You should help your neighbors when there is no one to look after the house. Okay, for example, okay, someday all of your neighbors, they have gone out of the house. There is no one at your neighbor's house, right? And that time what may happen, do you know? As I have already discussed. Yes, at that time whenever there is no people present in the house, some thieves, some criminal people may also enter in your neighbor's house, right? During that time, you can help your neighbors by looking after their house, right? Not only that, sometimes all the elder people, they might have got some work and they have gone outside, and small children might be there at your neighbor's house. That time also you can take care of those small children and help your neighbors, right? Okay, I hope till now you are clear about it. Okay, I have been telling you that you must help your neighbors. Okay, I hope you are doing that also, right? Now, let's know, why should we help our neighbors? What happens if we help our neighbors? So here I have some of the points written here. Why should we help our neighbors? So are you ready? Okay, let's see here. To get help from them. My dear students, as I have been discussing from the beginning that we should help our neighbors so that we can also get help from them. This condition may happen, this situation may arise in our life too. Yes, And if we do not have habit of helping our neighbors, then our neighbors too do not help us. So that we have to help our neighbors to get help from them. Are you clear? Okay, the next point is also there, to make good relations with them. Okay, if we have habit of helping our neighbors, then there will be good relation. Okay, there will be love, care, respect among the neighbors. Good relationship will be there. Right? The next one is also there, to make our society peaceful. Listen, my dear students, whenever there is help among the neighbor in a society, then society will be very much peaceful. Yes, all the neighbors, they used to help each other, they used to respect each other, they used to love each other, isn't it? Then they never fight. There may not be any misunderstanding, so that there won't be any quarrel in the society. So our society or our neighborhood will be peaceful. Right? Then the next one is also there, to get respect in the society. Okay, we have to help our neighbors to get respect in the society. Okay, if we do not help our neighbors whenever they need, okay, in this situation, right, then what happen? Our neighbors do not like us. Yes, and they do not respect us. Okay, so that these are the points which tell us that we have to help our neighbors. Okay, so now to make you more clear about the help in the neighbor or neighborhood, I have some of the pictures. So do you want to see it? Okay, obviously you want, I know, yes. So let's have a look at the first picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see there some people, they are sitting and a small girl is there. She is serving water or tea in the glass. Can you see over there? Yes. So this is a picture of festival which occur times and again in your neighborhood, right? So for example, if there is such festival celebrated in your neighbor's house, that time you also might be invited and other guests too, isn't it? That time it will be very difficult for family members to handle, to complete all the work, right? So one small girl you can see there. Yes, she is serving water to the guest. So during such busy time, that is also a great help for your neighbors, right? Are you clear? Okay, then let's move towards the next picture there. Okay, what is the picture all about? Yes, you can see there is fire in the house. Yes, and around the house where there is fire, many people you are seeing there. They are in very much rush, they are running here and there. Different work they are doing there. Yes? So, listen, these all are the neighbors and they are trying to put off the fire, right? And even the small children you can see there, they are carrying water in the buckets. Yes, so that they can help to put off the fire. And not only that, in this condition you can just call to firefighter too, right? And it will be great help for your neighbors. Because of your help, there can be some good happening, though it is very much bad. Yes, getting fire in the house is the bad condition. It is just like an accident, right? So in this way you can help your neighbors, right? And the next one picture is also for you. Okay, so this is a picture of marriage, you can see there, right? And in your neighborhood there might be your elder brother and sister. Yes, and they might be getting married, and you also might be invited there. Your whole family are invited there, isn't it? And according to the picture you can see there, many children are there, right? And they are helping in different work. Some of the children, they are busy cleaning the house, right? And some children, they are busy in the decoration of the house. Yes? Okay, so this is the way how you can provide help to your neighbors. And listen, my dear students, if you do not help your neighbors, then your neighbors also do not come to help you, right? So if such marriage or other function are there in your neighborhood, then you should go there and help, so that next time whenever you have marriage of your elder brother and sister at your home, that time your neighbors will come and they help you to make your work easier, right? Okay, I hope from here you are clear. You can understand, you have understood that who are neighbors, yes, and in which condition we can help our neighbors, and last one, why should we help our neighbors? Are you clear? Okay, then I have already told you, yes, I will ask you some questions and you have to give the answers, right? Okay, then let's see the questions. Okay, some easy questions I have. I know you can answer it. Okay, so here I have got a first question here. Okay, I think you can see it. Who are neighbors? Do you know? Now any guess? Okay, I know that. You can answer it. Let me paste here so that you can copy in your notebook and it will be your assignment for today. Alright? So who are neighbors? Let's do some short revision, okay? As it is already discussed here, those people who live around our house, they are called as our neighbors. Do you remember? Yes, very good, okay? So once again, who are neighbors? Those people who live around our house, they are our neighbors. Can you write it? Yes, very easy. Okay, my dear students, next question is for you. Okay, this is, are the neighbors important to us? Do you think our neighbors are important to us? Okay, let me paste here, and I would like to request to copy this question too in your notebook. Okay, so that you can write the answer. So let's have a discussion. Okay, are the neighbors important to us? Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, obviously neighbors are important to us, right? Because we are human beings. We are not like an animal that we can live alone. Yes, without each other's help. Can we live? No, it will be very difficult for us, isn't it? So, neighbors are important to us, right? Are you clear? Okay, then the final question is here for you. Okay, should we help the neighbors? Okay, let's paste here. Copy this question also in your notebook. Okay. So, what do you think? Should we help to the neighbors or not? Yes, we should help our neighbors. Why? Do you have any reason? Yes, we have already discussed the reason over here. Why should we help our neighbors? We have to help our neighbors to get help from them, to get respect in the society, to make our society peaceful. Yeah, different points, we have already gone through it. But it's very simple that no need to write the points. Only write down, should we help our neighbors or not? Yes, we should help our neighbors. Okay, have you copied the questions? This is your homework, okay? Okay, homework for today. Now listen. Now check your question. Who are neighbors? Right? Are the neighbors important to us? And the last one is, should we help to the neighbors? Okay, these are your assignment for today. Now, my dear students, let's have a review what we have gone through today. Today we have gone through the topic help the neighbors, right? And for that we have known many things from the chart paper. Who are neighbors? How can we help them? Yes, and why should we help them? And you have gone through some of the pictures too, right? And with this all thing, I hope you are very much clear about the topic. And lastly, I have given you 3 questions as your assignment. Okay, now this much for today, my dear students. I will be there with next topic in next class. Till that time, be happy and safe.